hitting action is back. Now, we did not air episode 4. That was a kind of like a recap or a how you got here episode, which kind of should have went first.
Yeah.
But, you know, it also told me that this was night 2, right? Like they did back-to-back filmings.
Laynie Luck. Look at you're all sparkly. This is the party.
Vita Scott. I haven't seen her in ages.
Big opportunity.
Well, now you have. She's right here. She's on your TV screen.
You know I've been bringing the party everywhere I go. ROH, AEW, WWA, places I'm champion at MAW Zilla Pro. And tonight, my biggest opportunity yet is with former Impact Knockouts champion Tasha Steelz.
She did good the first time we saw her. There were a few timing issues with some of the moves, but she overall performed very well. So I'm interested to see how she's going to come out tonight. It's good to see her again.
Welcome to Women's Wrestling Army. Alyssa Marino alongside Lenny Leonard. It is Forbidden Door weekend here in Chicago. We are partnering with Warrior Wrestling.
Oh, they're in a different venue.
Yeah,
it is a special weekend to be here in Chicago.
Upgraded
with the great folks at Warrior Wrestling.
I like it.
About Women's Wrestling Army is building those partnerships with other companies, and the eyes of the wrestling world are here in Chicago.
Tickets.
Yeah.
Introducing first, competing out of Chicago,
Okay.
A hometown competitor, Laynie
Couple
Luck.
there.
The chairs looked full. The bleachers may not be 100% full, but there's a lot of people there. Well, that's a good sign.
Here at Women's Wrestling Army, picking up a victory.
Yeah, didn't have the results that she would have liked in her first match here in WWA, but she's got her sights set tonight on a very tough opponent.
Let's see who she got.
Against this woman.
Oh, she got Tasha Steelz.
Not a good draw for Miss Laynie.
The last time we saw Tasha Steelz, she was trying to beat Tara Valkyrie's record with that women's championship. She put on an incredible match, so tough draw.
Someone who is a known champion, a history maker, someone who has incredible accolades in her career.
Yeah, two-time Impact Knockouts World Champion with Kiera Hogan, the first ever Impact Knockouts Ultimate X winner, former Knockouts World Champ. She's done it all in Impact Wrestling. We're excited to have her here. Again, another one of those great partnerships that we've been able to build across pro wrestling here to give women an opportunity to test themselves.
Here we go.
To grow as athletes.
I need to go check on Zeus. I hear him getting into something that he probably has no business. Give me a moment.
Like being able to test your mettle
No
against
problem.
competitors from all over this entire industry.
And if you're just joining us and you're still with us, we appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here with us. This promises to be a good match. As I said, Tasha Steelz was very entertaining the last time we saw her, and she took on Tara Valkyrie. Well, this is new. We did not have that the last time.
Deonna's not scheduled to be out here right now, so I don't know what.
And there you go, another big name. You see her in AEW, you see her in other places. So you have women from all over, multiple productions that have been supporting this company, and it's really nice to see.
Hopefully she is going to explain herself and her presence.
Oh.
Unfortunately separated her shoulder last night.
Oh.
Well, whether it happened last night or tonight, I would have separated her shoulder anyway. I am the Fujiwara armbar specialist, the virtuosa Donna Purrazzo, and opponent here or not, I came to wrestle.
Right, she stuck at. That is hilarious.
My debut. So what do we say? We make this
herself into this matchup. Laynie Luck agrees. Tasha Steelz never one to walk away
Well,
from
things
challenge.
just got interesting.
Shout out to Ashley watching from home. Hope you heal up quick. We're definitely going to look forward to seeing you here down the line. One half of a great tag team as well as being a great singles competitor, along with her sister, Deonna Exo, as part of the Team C Stars. But this one's going to be interesting now. We got 3 great singles competitors going at it in one matchup. And
Team Adams sharing a long history.
They're Team Impact as well.
Exactly, yes.
Oh.
Laynie may be in for it here.
Oh, but Laynie Luck catches Tasha Steelz. Little jaw jack.
All right, here we go.
Laynie Luck may have a bit of an advantage. Great lucha background, nice cross body right there. Laynie's used to these multi-person matches. It's a big staple of lucha libre, and Laynie with a ton of lucha training here in the Chicago area.
Nice.
Nice evasion of that elbow by Steelz, though.
Yeah, great anticipation from Laynie Luck, but now Tasha Steelz takes Laynie back to her feet, but arm drag takes Steelz across the ring.
Laynie trying to go up and over the top. Tasha drops down, but nice gator.
See, I know Laynie Luck has experience, but as I'm watching her, something just seems off about her timing. I don't know if maybe it's just, this is the beginning of the match jitters and it'll get better as she keeps going, but something just seems off.
She reminds me of Emma.
Right there.
Back when Emma
that's a good
was
comparison.
doing the
Appreciation of the fight that they're seeing in one another.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? When she had the bubbly personality and was real, real ditzy.
From the outside,
I saw Donna get interjected into this match. I think now
Virtuosa now rolling herself into the ring to square up
Right.
against the former Knockouts champion.
So apparently Donna and Tasha were a tag team before.
Former 2-time Reina de Reina's champ.
I think they did some stuff in Impact Wrestling.
Former ROH Women's World
Yeah,
Champion as well.
yeah.
Momentarily distracted.
And that's all part of the mind game of the Virtuosa. Such a cerebral competitor as well as incredibly physical, but now Tasha Steelz taking Donna Purrazzo down to the mat. And a big uppercut in the corner. Goes up at the kick.
I think she's got a couple hundred there.
Strength right there. She goes
Yeah.
from defense to offense very quickly. Penalty kick and a cover.
Laynie breaks it up. Laynie Luck, though, sensing that match could have just slipped out of her hands and really breaking up the pinfall, keeping this match going.
Oof.
Oh.
Oh,
Oof.
Ooh.
Definitely thug, but return fire from Laynie Luck. Now releasing a flurry of strikes. So Tasha Steelz.
Yeah, I do remember Laynie Luck throwing some nice clean forearms.
tenacious. Got the back of Laynie Luck and slams her into the corner. Here
Oh,
comes
you cannot forget about that infamous
Purrazzo
third
now taking
person.
boots to the midsection of Laynie
Right.
Luck. Tasha Steelz actually taking a brunt of impact as well. Tasha Steelz whipped into the corner. A little help from Donna Purrazzo with that uppercut.
Looks like Steelz and the Virtuoso back on the same page here for the time being. Double suplex into a cover.
Virtuosa. Oh, but Tasha Steelz wants to take the pinfall for herself.
Now there can only be one winner in this matchup.
That may have been the end of that.
Well, that fan is very enthusiastic.
Purrazzo and Steelz.
Very much so.
These are two women that both love to win, and in fact, I think they hate to lose more than they love to win.
Oh,
No doubt about that. Tasha Steelz trying to show off some of that flavor.
there was some smack on them
Now it's
cakes.
on.
There was.
Slugfest between these two incredible competitors.
But you know, I'm a resident cakes expert.
That's the thing, Alyssa, about a three-person matchup. You never know where that other body's going to come
Lana
from.
said,
You have
or
to have
Layna
eyes
said no.
literally in the back
No
of your
cakes
head.
today.
Yeah, it's certainly something to be
The
said for
oven
keeping
has
the head
been
on a
unplugged.
Swivel. Purrazzo and Steelz too distracted
Nice
by
double
one another,
clothesline
and it
there.
was party down from Laynie Luck. She whips and she nays.
Oh, we got a Shanae reference. That was awesome.
Snapmares.
Uh-oh.
Lady to the second. Gonna take flight. Double drop kick. Nicely done. Into the cover on Purrazzo.
Oh, Purrazzo kicked out, but now looking to capitalize. Tasha Steelz still down.
She screams
enough.
all the time.
If at first you don't succeed, try again. Not quite.
Third time not the charm for Laynie. She is in control right now for the moment.
Now Tasha Steelz, first on the shoulders. She could have been looking for that Death Valley party.
Missed that.
Corner,
Oh,
here
she
comes
missed
Laynie
that
Hall.
boot. Got a super kick to the midsection.
Midsection by Steelz.
Tasha Steelz off the ropes with a
Was that like
cutter.
a stratisfaction there?
Tasha Steelz says
Isn't that your
is it.
favorite
It's
wrestler's
over
move?
For Laynie Luck. Steelz with the cover.
You know,
Desperation saved by Deonna right there.
Yeah,
Virtuoso.
yeah, you're right.
Hanging in this matchup.
I gotta watch Payback. I have heard nothing but rave reviews for her performance in that cage match against Becky Lynch, so I want to see it.
They had a good one.
Back
Their
down to the mat.
program
Tasha
was
Steelz.
terrible leading up to it. But
Yeah, they
had a
botched
good-
that.
Oh!
Slammed down.
They had a good
Great
payoff.
counter by
And-
Laynie right there, but turned her back on Deonna. Can't do it.
And just to be clear,
by the
by
Virtuoso.
they, I don't mean Becky and Trish. I mean
To the
the people who
midsection,
run
and
the show.
That's got to be it. Looking for the Queen's Gambit.
That should have been
Once more,
SummerSlam all the
Laynie
way.
Luck.
Twice Deonna's gone for it. Hasn't hit it. Laynie, though, hits that super kick.
Bless you.
And looking to go up to the second here.
Laynie Luck poised and ready, but Tasha Steelz attacking the leg. Look,
Oh, nice catch there.
That was nice. Yeah, that was nice.
Forced to tap out.
Told you.
Hell of a debut for Donna Purrazzo.
Winner of this match by submission, the Virtuosa, Deonna Purrazzo.
Deonna taking advantage of the opportunity. Laynie came off looking for that unit cutter right into the Fujiwara.
Not a bad
armbar
match
for
there.
the
What'd you think?
tap-out win.
No, that was not a bad match at all. I'm probably at a 6 if I had to give it a rating from 1 to 10.
Against two tough competitors in Steelz and Luck.
I'll bite with that. I'll take it.